Is Abdullah
And I'm his sister Hijab, and welcome to the third episode of
Sehat Bana fees Bacha.
Yes, and this is a program for exercises for weight loss. First of all, we will start with warm up, stretching our body.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Now, the first exercise is crunches. So, for that, bend your legs, lie down, put your hands behind your head, and start crunching. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The second exercise is called Tricep Dips. For that, you have to have a chair or sofa and put your hands on it and start. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more. 5. For our third exercise, which is called the Russian twists, we will sit on the ground in this position and then start twisting our bodies. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And for our fourth exercise, the Cobra stretch. Lie in this position and look up for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And for our fifth exercise, we will do leg raises. So lie in this position and start. 1, 2, 3. This one is a little difficult. 4. And last one, 5. Good job.
Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz till next time.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.